crazy speed. Cool stories and exciting accidents are waiting for you here. Put a like and let's go.
For the money, that's the devil in me. Had that.
Drive northwest, then keep left at the fork.
What the fuck? The fuck, dude? Are you okay? Damn, lay down, lay down.
But I would argue that that is simple enough. Like, it's so, I don't know the last time you had a junior bacon cheeseburger, but that big is, it's almost like a slider. Yeah, right.